tell you that you can lose weight in your periods, you'll be like, how is that possible? We feel so bloated. There are so mood swing. Period cramps are the most worst thing in this world. I totally get it because it happens with me as well. Period cramps, mood swing. But do you know that after your periods are over, like the third and the fourth day, and especially the last particular time when your periods are going, your estrogen levels are really high. And at that particular time, when you work out, you get the best possible fat loss results. This is something that very few people know, but I utilize it to my maximum benefit and also my students' benefit. When they work out on the third and fourth day of their periods, they get the best possible results. So yes, today in this video, I'm going to share some exercises that will give you the great fat loss results and will help you in your weight loss journey even after your periods. So yes, let's get quickly started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along in order to never miss any update from my channel. And yes, let's get. Apart from the great fat loss results, when we talk about the exercises during the periods, I don't recommend doing intense exercises, but doing walking, yoga and some amazing relaxation exercises can boost endorphins in your body and act as a natural painkiller, and as a result, your period cramps are reduced to minimum. So yes, definitely trying out few exercises during your periods can really help. The major problem doing exercises during the period is there is a problem of leakage, discomfort, and you don't feel comfortable during your periods while doing the exercises. So here is something that I have for all of you that I have been using and is my personal favorite since recent time. I have a biodegradable sanitary napkin kit from Lemmy that have been recently sent to me, and I have been lately loving it. I can highly recommend it to all of you out there because it's biodegradable and it's really 100% natural, chemical free. During the periods when I exercise, I use this. It's 100% organically grown, very skinny and soft, and it makes sure that your skin doesn't feel that discomfort. You feel very comfortable after wearing it. So it's made from oxo biodegradable material that decomposes in a month. So this is a complete kit. Many women experience very high bleeding on the first days and then it goes to lighter on as the days passes by during the periods. So this kit is designed in such a way, during the daytime we have different pads, during the night time we have different pads. The kit offers all the products that are adapted to your changing needs during your menstrual periods, and you don't have to buy different sized pads or tampons separately. It really helps you to get rid of those rashes that you feel while exercising during your periods. So it's very soft and comforting. So yes, definitely give it a try. So all of you out there, you must try it out. I can say with my personal experience that it has really helped me. So yes, try it out. Link would be there in my description. Now let's quickly get on to the exercises that you have to do during your periods and after that in order to get the best fat loss results and also getting some reduced period cramps during your periods. So let's get started. So this is an exercise flow in your AV periods. That means the first 3 days of your menstrual cycle. All of these exercises are really comforting, helps you get rid of those period cramps. Here are some baby crunches, some glute bridges. So that will really help you feel fresh, and also the nights will be comforting. You will feel very better, and it is something that you should definitely give it a try. Since the time I have started working out, like these basic exercises, some relaxation exercises during my periods, I have started feeling that my period cramps are reduced to minimum, my mood swings are better, and also it feels really nice when the endorphins are released, the natural painkillers. They act as natural painkillers to reduce the period cramps. So definitely give it a try from once, and I definitely recommend this, trying it out in the first 4 days or 3 days of your periods when you are on your heavy bleeding. Try this complete exercise set for 2 to 3 times, and according to your comfort. I wouldn't push you that much in your periods because I know that some people face a really heavy bleeding. So yes, push as much as you can. You can do it for 1 to 2 times, or based on your comfort level you can push it to 3 times as well. So yes, you can follow this complete exercise flow. Now the amazing fat loss exercises that you should follow after your periods are done, like your heavy bleeding is done and you are on your 4th or 5th day of your periods. At this particular time your estrogen levels are really high, you have a really higher energy state wherein you can exercise and get best possible results. So herein we have some amazing fat loss exercises that you need to follow, and all of these exercises need to be performed for at least 60 seconds each of them, and then you have to repeat this complete entire set as I am repeating in this video as well. So yes, you can follow this video along with me, and this will really help you get the best possible results. Once this complete set with repetition is done, you have to completely repeat it for 2 more times. So yes, I get it, like it will take some of your efforts, but because your body is in high energy state right now, higher estrogen level, you can do it with sustainability and get the maximum possible results. So yes, try it out for yourself, and I can assure you that you can get the best possible benefits out there. So that's it for this video. I hope you will find it useful. If you did, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon along, because I don't want you to miss any update from my channel. So yes, see you very soon. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy. I love you all.